This video will show you how to halve a steel section from the library. And by half we mean that you can do something like this. And if you want, you can delete this part. How do we do this? Well, let's start over. I'm selecting everything we have over here so that we have again a blank project. I'm going to open the steel library. And let's search for an HA300. It can be any section, just an example over here. Okay, now the first thing we are going to do with this section in order to cut it in half is make this section editable. That means we are selecting this section and go to Edit, Make Library Section Editable. All nodes will be numbered now. We want to divide the section somewhere over here, and with this section being editable, I can select all individual lines. That means that I will select this left line and this right side, and I will divide these two lines into, for example, two pieces. Of course, if necessary, you can change the length of the two pieces in any other value you prefer. For example, if you would like that the division is at 2/3, you can double click the line and modify the length of each part, and you do then the same thing on the right side. You see that there are two numbers now because we have divided this line in two pieces, and these are additional nodes, and we are going to zoom in on these two nodes, and I'm going to use the saw function, the cutting tool. Activating the cutting tool is very important now that you start on point number 35 and you keep the mouse button, the left mouse button down until you reach point number 12, and there you can release the mouse. And by doing this, you see that there is an additional node added. When we now zoom out, we can use the zoom all tool to show the entire section on screen. We can now select the bottom half and move it up and down, or we can even delete it if that is what you prefer.